time out the threats from the mid-morning hours and beyond.
That's right. The Weather Channel going to be extending our live programming to make sure that your family has the information that you need to stay safe as we, of course, continue to track the issues there in the west. That is not something going anywhere anytime soon. And then we'll be watching how everything translates off towards the east. So impacts for the rest of the nation as we head on through this week.
Yeah, we've got severe weather chances this week, snow chances later this week, too. We'll show you where. As the waters rise, we could see more. Jim Cantori, who's been reporting from there. And Jim, different story today. Looks like a lot of your rain is now pushed in. So what are you dealing with right now there in Capitola?
Yeah, it's chilly, Jen, this morning. It's like we've had a cold front come through. And there's a
part of California. Reporter
Molly Reel from our CBS partner KOVR has a closer look at the damage done to the Sacramento Yacht Club.
So, yeah, a lot to track here for us. We've been watching all these systems coming into the west, but not all of them have kind of worked their way across the country. Finally getting one of those, and that's going to organize and bring us the severe threat starting really tomorrow night.
And we'll have the chance for thunderstorms, the possibility that we see severe weather. We'll see that in the overnight. Of course, that's always a concern. And in some of the very same spots that with every single severe event that we've seen over the past couple of weeks, and it's been a busy storm track, you're under the gun again.
Yeah, this is how it looks like, what it looks like here now Wednesday during the afternoon. You notice there's not a whole lot of activity that's really bubbling up here for us during the afternoon. It's going to take some time for things to really get going here for us as the system organizes. We may be talking about sort of a cap in the atmosphere, kind of delaying the thunderstorm activity until later in the day.
All right, so that warmth that you're feeling actually is beneficial in this case. We'll see, though, as we get into the overnight time frame, that's when the chance of thunderstorms will be moving in. I mean, look at the temperatures. Dallas, Houston, back to the 80s. We had 80s over the weekend here, setting some records in southeast Texas. Abilene, San Angelo, 84 degrees. Oof. That'll beat the record from 2017.
Yeah, so plenty of warmth out there. Then we'll watch how things progress tomorrow night as we watch some colder air coming in aloft. And that can oftentimes really help to erode that cap in the atmosphere. And that really can allow the thunderstorms to develop. So that is expected tomorrow night. And then we'll watch the activity spread east from there.
So the fact that it will be so warm during the afternoon, dew points will be coming up too in accordance. So we'll see more instability tomorrow night, plus the wind energy. So a lot more coming together with that chance of storms from Louisiana into Mississippi, maybe even western Tennessee.
So Wednesday evening now, we'll start to see some of those thunderstorms getting going. This is about 9-ish, 10 o'clock, and Future Radar showing you some of those thunderstorms developing, parts of Arkansas, even getting up into Missouri as well. And then look how everything starts to develop a bit farther to the south, heading into Thursday morning.
All right, so you wake up on Thursday. We've got thunderstorms on the move now, heading through middle Tennessee, down through much of Mississippi and into Alabama. We'll help you time out the threats from the mid-morning hours and beyond.
The Weather Channel will extend our live programming to make sure that your family has the information that you need to stay safe. Not only tracking what's going on the West Coast, but what translates east as we head on through the coming days, bringing the threat for some severe weather as we head towards the end of the week.
Yes, watching all the scenes, evacuations, the stories coming out of California, we can show you as the waters rise, we could see